design your ChoiCo game taking into consideration the air quality of the point in real time. For example, in this game, the player intends to decide whether some locations in their city are suitable for sports and physical activity or not. Click on the tab Air Quality to see the values that correspond to the quality of the air in the locations indicated by the pins on the map. Go to the Edit mode and add a new field, for example named Health. You can set the values of your choice for each one of the points of interest in your game. You can now go to the Initial Settings tag to set the initial value of your new field. For example, here we set the value of Health to 30. By switching to Play mode again, we can see that our new field, Health, is added and has now the value 30. Different point options correspond to changes that are recorded in the field Health. In our example, each choice has negative or positive consequence on the player's health since health is influenced by the air quality. From now on, we can actually take into consideration the air quality of the point in order to decide whether it is suitable for sports or other physical activity.